Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is history of Indian education system. Education in India is provided by public schools and private schools under various articles of the Indian Constitution. Free and compulsory education is provided as a fundamental right to the children between the age of 6 and 14. The approximate ratio of public schools to private schools in India is 7:5. India has made progress in increasing the attainment rate of the primary education. In 2011, approximately 75% of population aged between 7 and 10 years was literate. India improved education system is often cited as one of the main contribution to its economy development. Much of the progress, especially in higher education and scientific research, has been credited to various public institutions, while enrollment in higher education has increased steadily over the past decades, reaching a gross enrollment ratio of the 24% in 2013. There still remain a significant distance to catch up with the tertiary education enrollment levels of the developed nation, a challenge that will be necessary to overcome in order to continue to reap a demographic dividend from the Indian comparative young populations. At the primary and secondary level, India has a large private school system complementing the government-run school, with the 29% of the students receiving private education in the 6 to 14 year age group. Certain post-secondary education technical schools are also private. The private education market in India had a revenue of the 450 US million in 2008, but is projected to be a 40 billion market. As per the annual States of the Education Report 2012, 96.5% of all the rural children between the age of 6 to 14 were enrolled in school. This is the fourth annual survey to report enrollment above 96%. India has maintained an average enrollment ratio of 95% for students in this age group from the year 2007 to 2014. As an outcome, the number of students in the age group 16 to 14 who are not enrolled in school has come down to 2.8% in the academic year 2018. Another report from 2013 stated that there were 229 million students enrolled in different accredited urban and rural schools of India from classes of 1st to 12, representing an increasing of the 23 lakh students over 2002 total enrollment, and a 19% increase in girl enrollment. While the quantitatively India is inching closer to the universal education, the quality of its education has been constant, particularly in its government-run school systems. While more than 95% of the children attend primary school, just 40% of Indian adolescents attend secondary schools. Since 2000, the World Bank has committed over 2 billion to the education in India. Some of the reasons for the poor quality includes absence of around 25% of the teacher. Everyday states of the India have introduced tight test and education assessment system to the identify and improve such as schools. As per the census of India in 2011, there were 2.106 million schools, colleges in India, out of which 1.702 million were rural and 404,000 were urban. Although there are private schools in India, they are highly regulated in terms of what they can teach, in what form they can operate. Must be a non-profit to run an accredited education institution, and all other aspects of operation. Hence, the differentiation of the government school and private school can be misleading. In January 2019, India had over 900 universities and 40,000 colleges in India. Higher education system, a significant number of seats are reserved under the affirmative action policies for the historically disadvantaged scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward classes in universities, colleges, and similar institutions affiliated to the federal government. There is a maximum 50% of the reservation applicable of this disadvantaged group at the state level. It can vary. Maharashtra had 73% reservation in 2014, which is the highest percentage of the reservation in India.